Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today we are excited to dive into the DYU C2 16-inch full folding electric bike. This compact and stylish e-bike is designed for urban commuters and adventurers alike. With its full folding capability, powerful electric motor and impressive range, it promises convenience and efficiency. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out! Now the bike, when it's folded, it has this stand here. And it locks. Here we have the kickstand, on-off button for the battery, the charging port. We have in this box manual and warranty, 2 pedals. I like the design, 1 tool, and the power adapter. You need to charge the bike. Here I need to install the left pedal. I can use the tool. The stand when it's folded. Here I can install the seat post with a handle at the back. From 1 to 8. Lock and unlock mechanism, very easy. It comes and with this lock to secure your bike. Install this bracket at the seating post and then slide and it will hold the lock. 120 cm the length of the lock, included 2 keys. Here it is the bike steering wheel lock and unlock mechanism. Lock, pull this button and unlock. It is very easy. I like the cable management here, high quality. 2.5-inch tires with spoke wheels, comes with such strong grip that any terrain feels flat and smooth, with plastic mudguards, very safe. Equipped with front and rear dual disc brakes, ensures your safety under any conditions. Inside here it has a 48 volt 7.5 Ah high capacity battery. On a pure electric you will get a max range of up to 40 km. Die cast frame made of magnesium alloy, a stunning and beautiful design. I like the blue color all over the bike, it gives a great look. Rear disc brakes and at the back. And at the back wheel we have the high-speed hub motor, 250 watts, max power 500 watts, provides the perfect power, with a speed up to 25 km per hour. Reflectors and at the rear and front wheel, reflector and at the back on the rear rack, with maximum weight capacity 25 kg. The rear light, mid-mounted shock absorber system ensures a comfortable ride. The chain, and here I need to install the right pedal. And for your convenience, with one press of a button you can fold and unfold the pedal. And it takes only 2 steps to fold the bike. Press this button here and open the latch. and with the included key you can remove the battery. So here is the battery, and of course you can charge the battery without the need to have the battery in the bike. Connect the power adapter. We have the on-off switch. Seal it very well. A handle here. And then install the battery back without the key. And it locks. Unlocking this lever. Now this is the correct position, the handlebar, and lock. Reflector at the front, the ring bell. I like it. Soft grip left and right at the handlebar. It is very comfortable. And at the right we have the throttle. A button throttle is safer compared to a twist throttle. And here at the front it is in the display. We have the on-off button and the M button. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on the display. We have another 2 buttons at the display. Increase gear first, second, third. Decrease, 0. Press and hold the up button for 2 seconds. It will turn on the front and the rear light. We can see in the icon. Press and hold again. Off. And when the lights are on, the display brightness is decreasing. And if you press the rear or the front brake, is flashing the rear taillight. Within 10 seconds press the M button. And now you can go at the settings. You can change the unit system, kilometer or imperial, with the up and down button. The maximum speed, miles, you cannot change. M button again. This is the wheel size. 16. M button, you can check the volts. Small things that you can see. Press and hold the M button, you cannot change the volts in the main screen. I ride the bike starting with pedal assist and first gear with max speed 15 kilometers. Then second gear max speed 20 kilometers. And third gear it really kicks in the motor with max speed 25 kilometers. Right now I can feel the power of the electric motor. This compact and versatile e-bike is perfect for urban commuting, leisure rides, and anyone looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to get around. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to store and transport, whether you are taking it on public transport, storing it in your car, or taking it away at home. The DYU C2 fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. The bike's powerful motor and battery provides a smooth and efficient ride with a large range on a single charge. The pedal assist and throttle modes offer flexibility, allowing you to choose how much effort you want to put in your ride. The sturdy frame and comfortable seating ensure a pleasant riding experience, even on a longer journeys. The well-designed suspension ensures that bumps, potholes, and uneven surfaces are effectively cushioned, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrains. This makes the DYU C2 an excellent choice for city streets, park trails, and everything in between. The safety features of the DYU C2, such as the bright LED headlight, tail light, and responsive braking system, combined with the shock absorbers, add an extra layer of security, making it a reliable choice for both day and night riding. The intuitive controls and easy-to-read display makes it simple to monitor your speed, battery life, and other important settings. If you are looking for a reliable, compact and efficient electric bike, the DYU C2 16-inch full folding electric bike is an excellent choice. Its combination of portability, performance and user-friendly design makes it a standout option for anyone looking to embrace the convenience of electric biking. I'm really happy to be the owner of this C2 full folding electric bike. It's so pleasant riding on any terrain. A huge thanks to DYU for sending me this bike. It was an honor to make this video and show you my viewers the capabilities. Definitely this is my new bike. The power of this electric motor combined with pedal assist means you can easily climb an uphill road. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. and consider subscribing to my channel for more e-bike reviews and cycling tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the C2, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.